The inflatable rear seat belts are designed to spread crash forces across 5 times more of the body area than traditional seat belts do. In the event of a front or side impact, the inflatable belt is designed to better hold the occupant in the appropriate seating position, thus helping reduce the risk of injury. In everyday use, the inflatable belt is just like a conventional seat belt and is safe and compatible with infants and children who are properly restrained in child restraint systems or booster seats. Now let's take a look at how it works. Each belt's tubular bag inflates with a cold compressed gas, which flows through a specially designed buckle from a cylinder that's housed below the seat. The belt's accordion folded bag breaks through the belt fabric as it fills, expanding sideways across the occupant's body in about the same amount of time that it takes a car at highway speeds to travel around 2 feet. By using cold compressed gas instead of a heat-generating chemical reaction, which is typical of traditional airbag systems, the inflated belts feel no warmer to the wearer's body than the ambient temperature in the vehicle.